Hey guys, so this is my troy-bilt TB240 lawnmower with the Honda engine. I bought this several months back since I decided I was going to be cutting my mowing my own grass, and is actually due for an oil change. So this video is pretty much to show you how you do oil change on this lawnmower instead of paying somebody. This is actually my first time, so I guess we'll learn together. All right, here goes. So the first thing you want to do is to run the engine for a little bit, so you could loosen up the oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn it on, let it run for a bit. I might trim some of this right here, and I'll do that for about 5 minutes, and then start the oil change process. I'm gonna be using an oil pan, so I can drain the oil. I got the oil. I got this 30 weight 4-cycle engine oil from Lowe's, and I also got this pump so we can siphon out the oil from the engine. You actually don't even need this. You can actually tilt the mower into the side and let the engine oil drain into the pan if you like, but I decided to go ahead and get the pump anyways. But yeah, so the first thing you want to do is remove this right here, is where the spark plug goes. So there it goes, connector is off. I got the oil pan. Now I'm gonna open up the dipstick here. Just remove the dipstick. I'm going to So I have about 13 ounces of oil here ready to put into the engine, and I have a funnel here. Started here, so, and it's gonna be in an angle there, so hopefully I don't make a mess. But here it goes. So now what we're looking for is that dipstick is at least to the top right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that. So if you see there, the dipstick oil is to the top of this little area here with all them X's. So we're good to go. So go ahead and connect the spark plug back by just pushing in. There you go. And should be good to go now. And after you're done changing the engine oil, you want to make sure you dispose of the oil the proper way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this funnel right here to put that oil in there, and then later on I'm going to go ahead and take it to somewhere where the oil could be properly disposed. Okay guys, so I changed the oil, I cleaned up a little bit, and now is the moment of truth. So again, this is my first time doing it. And I have to say the changing the oil in this lawnmower, specifically the Troy-Bilt TB240, was pretty easy. So I would say this is definitely do-it-yourself small project here. Do not pay anyone to do this oil changes for you. It's very easy to do with I believe you don't even need the pump that I got. The pump, I paid like $13 for it. But basically, if you don't want to pay for the pump, all you have to do is remove this, put the oil pan somewhere here, and tilt it this way. And the oil will spill over as long as you preheated the engine. But again, it's a very easy process. So yeah, take care guys.